Hello Year 5 and 6, and this is Friday's Learning Journey lesson. Now, so far this week in your learning journey, you have been looking at the reasons for classifying animals based on their similarities and differences. You were also asked to research a man called Carl Linnaeus. So hopefully you found lots of information about that. So today, what we're going to look at is the 5 kingdoms, and at the end of the lesson I'm going to be asking you to use the internet to research and find 3 examples of living organisms that belong to each of the 5 kingdoms, which we're going to look at now. So one of the kingdoms then is called the Plantae kingdom. Now, there are so many different types of plants. That is why we classify them into more detailed groups. Plants use photosynthesis to make their own food. So you might want to look into some of these words and what they mean if you're not quite sure. Next one is the Animalia kingdom. And there are so many different types of animals. That is why we classify them into detailed groups. Another one is the Fungi kingdom, and the living things in this one, they don't make food, instead they live off decaying plants, and there are about 70,000 known fungi. Actually reminds me of a joke. What did the big mushroom say to the little mushroom? I'm a fungi. Get it? Fun guy? Okay, maybe not. Anyway, another one of the kingdoms is called the Munira kingdom, and they're bacteria. They don't have a nucleus, so again you might want to look up what that means. Can live almost anywhere, and they divide to reproduce. There is also a kingdom called the Protista kingdom, and they are single cell organisms with a nucleus. There's that word again. Pond algae is an example of a protista. Right, what I would like you to do is to use the internet to find 3 living organisms that belong to each of those different kingdoms. Okay, now you can present your findings in a chart like this if you like. So the name of the living organism, 3 of them, and maybe a picture of it. Okay, so there's the 5 kingdoms. Or you might want to present your findings a different way. You may want to do more of the journaling style that you're used to. So there's just a quick example of what I've done. You could have the 5 different kingdoms around the edge, a title in the middle, and then your examples that you find, maybe some pictures. It is entirely up to you how you present your research. So we look forward to seeing what you found uploaded onto Dojo. Take care for now. Bye.